And today we are going to be doing a wash and go brought to you by African Pride, okay?
What's up, guys? It's your girl Taylor, and welcome to Taylor Winbush TV.
I already had some of their products, but they did send me some new ones, so I'm going to be walking through step by step on that. Anyways, it's wash and go's bomb, okay? Yes, it's the curls for me. It's the curls for me. Hey, hello.
Okay, so we are starting off on blown out hair, and it is time to wash. So first things first, we are going to section off our hair because we will be applying the pre-shampoo. So the aloe and coconut water pre-shampoo from the Moisture Miracle line. This stuff smells so good. It smells so good and it's so moisturizing. Here's a fun fact about aloe plants because the pre-poo does contain aloe vera. So there's actually a sex in the aloe plant. Can you believe that? There's a male and a female plant. So male plants tend to grow larger and female is like the mother plant and it sprouts new babies. Okay, anyways, as you can see, my curls are reverting and I figured this would be the perfect video to showcase how good it is. I've personally been using this stuff for 2 years and I absolutely love this pre-poo. So we're just going to go ahead and rake this through and we're going to apply it to the other side of my head. Literally, this stuff is so moisturizing and it makes it so easy to detangle. I would definitely recommend it if you have dry hair, you have blown out hair, or you just have tangled hair and you need to comb through it real quick. Literally seamless. So I like to leave that on for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse with some water. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is taking this honey and coconut oil shampoo. I like to wash at least 2 to 3 times, especially if my hair has been used with heat. And here's a fun fact about honey. Did you know that there are 20,000 species of bees on the earth and only a small fraction of them make honey? This shampoo is literally so moisturizing. When you pair this with that pre-poo, wash day is going to be so simple when I tell you. My hair was not tangled after shampooing. So the next thing I'm going to do is take this Moroccan clay and shea butter. Heat activated mask. The texture on this is very thick, but it's very moisturizing. I like to leave this on for about 15 minutes with a shower cap, and then I'm just going to wash up really quickly. Okay, so now that we have rinsed our conditioner out, we are going to, first of all, take a moment of silence for the definition before product. Okay, moving on. So we're going to section our hair off. I like to put this in quarters as well. It just makes it easier for me to manipulate. My hair is still a little bit damp, so listen, y'all, I have not put product in my hair yet. Can y'all believe this? Wow. My hair feels super moisturized and super soft. It looks moisturized as well. Okay, girls, so first things first, we are using the lock method. That's LOC, stands for leave-in, oil, and then your curling cream or gel or foam if that's what you're using. Today we're going to be using gel. So we are using the Curl Milk and Detangler from the Aloe and Coconut Water line. Now here are some really great things you should know about coconut water. So coconut water is actually really good to drink, but it's really good for your hair too. So it hydrates the hair and allows for volume. As you can see, my hair is not weighed down after applying this product. I am just going to apply this to each section and then basically get it out the way just so I can lock in the moisture before my hair starts to dry basically. And then of course coconut water helps with smoothing your hair, gives it that nice sleek and vibrance. And you can actually drink coconut water as well to help with the health of your hair. Next up, we are going to use the Miracle 5 Essential Oils. I like to use this to lock in the moisture. The oil contains castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. And here are some fun facts about the oil. So coconut oil is a protective oil and it helps against hair damage. Castor oil, of course, we know promotes hair growth. Argan oil helps reduce breakage and it mends split ends. Grapeseed oil is actually used to remedy baldness. So if you're dealing with like any type of baldness around your temples or in your hair, grapeseed oil is really great for that. And olive oil actually is really good for moisturizing your scalp, and it actually fights infections and bacteria, which helps improve the blood flow and circulation within your scalp. You do not need a lot. I like to focus on my ends and just kind of rake it through from ends all the way to my roots. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is, this is the real styling part. So I'm going to take this coconut milk and honey leave-in conditioner spray. and we are going to generously apply this on my hair. This is the perfect method for mixing the leave-in with the gel because you have to get the right consistency. All right, so moving on to the real styling, we are taking the curl defining gel. Like I said, you want to make sure that this is the right consistency with the leave-in before applying it because your hair basically should be wet when you're applying this gel. And I'm just going to rake it through, and at the ends, I'm just going to basically finger coil my ends to give it some extra definition. And if you have a looser curl, you might want to scrunch it, and if you have a kinkier curl, a twist out will be really good with this gel. And this is what my curls look like. They are very moisturized and defined, and now it's time to diffuse this bad boy. If you don't want to use heat, definitely go outside. It's getting warmer outside now, and I'm just going to diffuse this on a cool setting. Y'all, it's the curl for me. It's the coil for me. And now it's time to fluff out the hair. I'm just going to take a pick and basically go through and make my hair as big as I want. I personally prefer larger volume as opposed to a defined curl, but luckily this gel gives it enough. My hair feels super moisturized. It is still big. And there you have it. My curls are defined. I have definition, I have volume, and I also have moisture, which is very rare in products, but I definitely recommend this line. My favorite products would have to be the Pre-Poo, the leave-in conditioner, the gel, and also the oil. Also, honestly, the moisture milk was really good too, so it's very difficult to kind of say. I think all of these products did what they needed to do. The curls are popping. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go get your homegirl and y'all pull up next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so more people can see this content. Until next time, peace.